I nuke one. Oh!
85 miles per hour.
I love that you can use like, hey, I'm gonna nuke one, and boom,
It's gone. Yeah.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Backflip BP. Today we've got that brand new ASA Disturbance. This is their USA stamp bat. Cannot wait. We got a flare handle with a 27. Picked this up from Hendo over at Average Dude's Slow Pitch. Make sure to check out his channel. But these are out now. Check out axbat.com. Use our buddy Jerry's code Gomez20. Save yourself 20%, I believe, on these. But I'm really excited to hit this. Let's do this. All right, we are back here at Bicentennial Field. It's been over a month since we've been here. But again, 27 ounce Endload model, 300 all the way around. Hitting evil, oh, the tourney balls, nice. Stamp 52 300s.
Real 52.
Real ones.
Yeah.
85 miles per hour.
Gotta love the ASA.
Video's over.
90 miles per hour.
Hey, right.
That was the first swing. Straight no doubter.
No doubter. ASA's great. They make a great bat, dude. Oh my gosh.
80 miles per hour.
Well, that's the end of the video. Both of us, first hit is effortless. So silly.
We have differing opinions here. Shout out to the flare knob.
Yeah, so this has a flare knob. I'm not the biggest fan of the flare knob. I prefer the traditional. So, honestly, I wasn't looking forward to swinging this. But with results like that.
I mean, hey, I will convert you to the pyramid grip.
No, that'll never happen. Look at that. Off the bat. Dude. No, wait.
86 miles per hour.
What was it?
86.
Yeah.
I can't stress it. I am not even swinging.
No.
Oh,
86 miles per hour.
Oh, wow. The carry off these things is always kind of mind-blowing.
It's insane.
Oh, it's like...
So you don't have to have that crazy bat speed, dude.
No. The barrel's so jumpy, it's just like...
It's bizarre.
Yeah.
Dude.
Crazy. Like crazy. Half swing.
85 miles per hour.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Ah.
86 miles per
Nah,
hour.
dude. What? Line drive dinger.
That's wild. Maybe I do like the flare knob. I didn't even know it. Beep.
84 miles per hour.
She hadn't had her coffee yet.
87 miles per hour.
Oh, she was ahead now. Hey.
You didn't like it.
Now she mad at her.
Before that Raiders got caught. Oh yeah, we just threw it on the tester too. It came in at 260, 265, 260. So we got a long ways to go before it fails because 219 or 1450 is the fail point on these things.
It's gonna keep getting hotter, dude.
You right? Oh
Dude,
gosh.
come on.
85 miles per hour.
Hey, just gonna keep feeding them, just keep nuking them, dude.
Alright guys, about to lose my form here because
I'm gonna try and get it. I want to see some real carry. Oh.
Did you see it?
90 miles per hour.
90?
90.
Well, it'll take whatever you throw at it. Yep.
97 miles per hour.
Okay. got a little juicy juice in there too.
We've been big on these backstats before all this shenanigans. Like everyone like jumping on the hype train, which is cool.
No, I love that they have a hype train going.
Yeah, straight up.
$92 miles per hour.
Goodness.
Ooh.
That ball was dirty. Wow.
91 miles per hour.
91.
That was a
It takes everything you throw at it. Super durable. What are they running?
That's the problem. 319 is retail.
Ooh.
Use that code though, you get the discount. I think it comes to like 270-ish, something
What?
like that, 280.
So
It's not horrible.
yeah.
You get free shipping, so that helps.
So 270. Yeah, 270 all day.
Well, like 280.
Free shipping. You get a bat that's gonna last like two years,
Oh, at least.
if not more.
Yeah, no, it'll be durable.
That's not a guarantee, but I'm hitting these as long as we have. This is gonna last.
Yeah, no, they're tanks, for sure.
85 miles per hour.
Okay. I'm gonna try to hang one off like I normally do with the normal knob. Ooh, I don't know, dude. Oh, wow.
96 miles per hour.
Maybe it does still got that whip in there. Okay. Oh, no!
78 miles per hour.
I've never had so many 70-something miles.
Oh man.
That's great.
87 miles per hour.
Still going up the hill.
I'm just trying to hit line drives. I'm not even going for homers.
The carry is nuts.
That's the dip. Like, the carry has always been like next level. It's weird.
88 miles per hour.
All right. Kiss swing. Keep it smooth, stupid.
That was smooth. Let's see.
Oh, wow.
91 miles per hour.
That felt like butter. Absolute butter.
90 miles per hour.
Laser down there.
Oh my goodness. What a bat.
Oh, hey.
77 miles per hour.
What? Oh my God. Wind check. Nothing. What?
The carry.
The
dude,
carry is
weird.
just different. You gotta walk it off right now.
Gotta walk it off.
Gotta walk it off.
Need my axe back.
Here it comes.
Goosh!
81 miles per
See you,
hour.
nerd.
Oh my God, the bomb.
It took forever.
Yeah. That's a heck of a bat, dude.
See ya.
76 miles per hour.
Nah, dude, it's 76. Is that our lowest velo home run ever?
Hey, dinger's a dinger.
Last ball, 20 balls later. That's too much fun, dude.
When the bat's fun, it's fun.
It's true.
Ooh.
98 miles per hour.
Hey,
98.
hit the threshold. Take.
Alright guys, a moment of truth. I am so curious.
Man, you're jumping the gun. I'm not even set up yet.
It's alright. You're recording that too.
So it's super legit.
What in the world is this gonna say?
We're at what? Like, we put another 150-ish hits on here?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Failing is 219. Started at 260. Moment of truth. Dang, it didn't move.
It did not move.
I mean, it may be 5. Dude, wow. Dang, that's insane. There you have it, everybody. That is the new Axe Disturbance ASA only stamp bat. Again, 27 ounce flare knob. We were super impressed with this thing. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about this flare knob, but it definitely gets the job done. I would prefer if they had an option to have the traditional one, then I would definitely must buy in my book. But I always say you gotta try out the Axe. Like, you just have to, because the performance is undeniable. The sweet spot is a little bit smaller, but the whole barrel is super forgiving. Again, axebat.com, they're on there right now. I think they're shipping now. Use our buddy Jerry's code Gomez20. But hey, until next time, stay safe. See ya. Whoa, perfect!